امریکا له تاسو نه غوښتنه وکړي چې د پاکستان له خاورې د افغانستان په خاوره کې پوځي عملیات وکړي. آیا تاسو د پوځي عملیاتو یا هوایي عملیاتو اجازه ورکوئ؟ او دویم سوال، د افغانستان او پاکستان دا روابط چې اوس خراب شوي د دې عواقب تاسو څنګه ارزوئ؟
Now my question is that what will the Americans achieve operating from Pakistan what they could not achieve in 20 years operating from Afghanistan? I don't know. If someone can convince me that suddenly it would make a big difference and there will be peace in Afghanistan by them operating from Pakistan, maybe we would consider it. But what they haven't achieved in 20 years, how do they expect to achieve right now from Pakistan, having bases there? All it will do is, it will involve Pakistan in a conflict which Pakistan has nothing to do with it. So why would we want another conflict on our hands when already when we were fighting the US war on terror, we lost 70,000 people, over $150 billion lost to the economy. Why would we want to get ourselves in another conflict? So that's the reason why Pakistan sees absolutely no reason for them to have bases and operating from within Pakistan.
So
Future relationship with Afghanistan, I see relations between the two countries will get stronger with every passing year. And the reason is that Afghanistan needs Pakistan, Pakistan needs Afghanistan. No country would benefit more from open borders than Pakistan and Afghanistan, because Pakistan would benefit from access to Central Asian markets. They are emerging markets, they are growing very quickly. There's energy corridor as Afghanistan from Central Asia, so we will gain from it. And Afghanistan, of course, has a huge Pakistani market of 220 million people, and then a port, Gwadar port, and of course, Port Qasim. So it's a mutually beneficial relationship. People don't realize that Afghanistan was part of Pakistan and India for a long time. And then there was a time when what is Pakistan, North Pakistan, was part of Afghanistan for 70, 80 years. So there's a strong linkages between the two countries. And I think that once this situation calms down in Afghanistan, and which we pray it calms down very quickly, then I think we will have probably the best years of our relationship.